Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Danielle Niles. Tropical storm Michael still packing 50-mile-per-hour winds here, moving through South Carolina and zipping off to the north and east now, moving at 21 miles per hour. Moved through North Carolina this afternoon and offshore overnight tonight, passing as a remnant low south and east of Nantucket as we head into tomorrow, making its closest pass around midday or so. The wind field will expand, so too will the winds. Kind of increase a little bit, but it looks like the core of heaviest winds and strongest wind will stay offshore tomorrow. But we get some of this tropical moisture that comes up today and fills in as scattered showers and downpours this afternoon. Some heavy rain locally for the evening drive, and then another batch comes in as we head into overnight and tomorrow. In fact, there may be some real heavy rain tomorrow morning for the south coast, far south shore and Cape Cod, and the very sharp clearing comes in from west to east with the sunshine breaking out. Flash flood watch then is up through tonight. It extends longer until tomorrow afternoon for the Cape. A widespread 1 to 2 inches expected, but there may be some potential for 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of rain along the south coast to Cape Cod that would result in localized flooding. The wind may also gust over 40 this evening and again tomorrow afternoon on the Cape, particularly Nantucket. Temperatures in the 60s tomorrow, 50s on Saturday. There'll be some showers Saturday morning to midday, then breaks of sun, brighter 60 on Sunday. See you again tomorrow morning.